Hey guys, my name is Elle if you're new here, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me today. I do not normally film outside, but you know, life situations have caused me to film this in a different location, but I am still super excited to be hanging out with you guys today. Of course, I picked the windy day to film, so hopefully it's not too bad, and maybe the setup is nice, you know? We're springy, we're enjoying the outdoors, about time, right? So today I'm so excited. I am doing an unboxing of a new to me subscription company. I love doing unboxings on my channel. I have a few more. I recently subscribed to FabFitFun, so I've been doing those videos, and I have another one to come soon. I've been doing some unboxings for inventory for my reselling business. I will link those down below if you are interested, and there will be more to come because they're just so much fun. You know, I'm still stuck at home in a lot of ways due to world situations, so I am just enjoying getting, you know, things delivered, not having to go out and get things, and just having a little surprise, something to look forward to. I don't know why I'm telling you this. You know this. If you're here, you probably also love subscription boxes. So on my channel, I talk about cruelty-free beauty and lifestyle products, as well as money-saving shopping hacks, fashion, anything fun that interests me, as well as starting to sprinkle in some content about my reselling business on apps like Poshmark and Mercari. And today we are delving into the fashion side and style, lifestyle part of my interest that we talk about here on my channel, because this is a jewelry subscription box. I've had my YouTube channel for over a decade now, which makes me sound like a dinosaur, but a few years ago in like 2015, I feel like I was doing a lot of jewelry videos, and you guys always seem to like them. So if any of you are from back in the day, hopefully you will enjoy this too. It's so windy. Anyways, today we are unboxing Rocksbox, which I've heard about. I've been seeing ads for it. It is a jewelry subscription box, but the price of the box is kind of a styling fee, and you can send back what is in your box, and then they'll send you new stuff. So it's almost more like a rental system, almost like a Rent the Runway, but you can also buy out pieces if you really like them. I will have more information linked below because I'm not sure I'm explaining it the most accurate way, but it does even say on this poly mailer, save this envelope to return your box. So they make it really easy. I think the shipping's free both ways, and you can answer a little questionnaire and they'll try to style you and send you new items. That's really fun if you want to be mixing up your accessories and stuff. I know a lot of times if something wasn't gifted to me by somebody jewelry wise, sometimes I'll get sick of it, you know, like we want to keep up with the trends and all of that. So this sounds like a really fun thing. I feel like with a clothing box that would be fun too if you're just bored and you want to switch stuff out. So I love that aspect. It comes in this little poly mailer. It's really light, and yeah, let's go ahead and open this. I've not opened it yet, and it does have this little resealable strip, so super easy to send it back and pack it off. Ooh, this box looks so cute. This is like beautiful. I love this design. This is totally one of those boxes that you could reuse and use for storage. Look at this beautiful floral design. I love the light pink. I love pretty boxes like this. I was joking with someone on Instagram recently that you just can't bring yourself to get rid of them because they're so pretty and you can reuse them. It's reusable, recyclable, and made in the USA, and they have a little about the artist on the back. It's by Gabby Anderson, and you can follow her Instagram at GabbyAnderson_studio. Look at this so much. Let's go ahead and open this. It has a little card that says, "Hey gorgeous," and let's see, gives you some tips for proper jewelry care. And you can scan the QR code to leave reviews or make a purchase from your set. Oh, this is so cute. They wrap it up in tissue paper with a little yay sticker. Felt weird to not put on jewelry for this video, but I knew we'd be unboxing some. Ooh. And they come in the little dust bags. Okay, so each one is individually wrapped, so it is shipped carefully. This is really adorable. I really appreciate how they pack everything so carefully, because you never know what could happen in shipment. So this first one says Rudiment on it. Oh, these are cute. Rudiment styles are crafted with 14 karat gold and silver plated finishes. These are, I think they called these the Huggies. like this little loop style of earring. Oh, one's backwards. And they have little, I guess, CZ stones on them, these little heart shapes. These are super adorable. Oh, and they have stones all along the edge too. So super cute. I would try these on, but I actually don't have my ears pierced, so I will see. Maybe my mom will like these, but I love this style. I would totally wear these if I did have my ears pierced, because these, I just really love these. I love anything stars. They're kind of small, you know, minimal, very trendy. Those are really cute, and they were wrapped carefully in bubble wrap within that little jewelry bag too, so those are so cute. This one says Rocksbox on it in really cute rose gold writing. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. This is like a layered necklace. Has one clasp, and I like how they packed it in this one long bag. Oh, it's already clasped. You can do different lengths on this one. It has like the red strand, kind of like a little disc strand, and then kind of not quite a paper clip chain, but look, almost a mini version strand. Super pretty. I love that layered look without having to actually wear multiple necklaces. This doesn't really go with this sweatshirt, but that is super gorgeous. Look at that. And it's staying so nicely in place too, without tangling. That's really cute. Really easy to just throw on and immediately dress up your outfit. And then here is the last item. Looks like I got 3. Oh, and this is a cute little bolo bracelet with some baguette stones. I'm obsessed with bolo bracelets. They're so easy to put on by yourself. Like, I hate bracelet clasps because you can never do them with one hand. Or at least I can't. I struggle, even though I love bracelets. And then you can make them tight so they're not falling up and down. I just love the bolo style. Almost like tennis bracelet vibes. Very shiny with the gold. Love these. Very easy to layer with other things. I can see myself wearing this a ton. I love that. So all 3 of these, I really like the earrings. I feel like these and that and the bracelet are the most my style, and these are all kind of gold toned. I tend to be more of a silver person, but I'm sure once you sign up for the subscription, they can kind of tailor your preferences. This is a box they sent me, so thank you so much to Rocksbox for sending this complimentary for me to review for you guys. But as always, all my opinions are 100% my own and honest. But because of that, I didn't take a style quiz or anything. This must be just a set box they have ready to go, so I don't know if that changes anything. So this necklace is called the Aster Lotus layered necklace in red. There's a little sheet here that gives you the names of everything, which I love because I hate when they don't tell you. So I think the retail price on that one is 60, or no, let's see. Yeah, 60, and then the member discounted price I think is 51. The Rudiment brand Huggies, these are called the Little Star Huggies in gold, retail price 65, or member discount, it's kind of like not lined up correctly, so I'm trying to figure out what's what. I think the retail price is 65, member discount 55, and the same for the bracelet, which is called the Sophie Harper Baguette Slider Bracelet in gold. So the retail price subtotal for all 3 is $190 minus a $29 member discount, and then if you buy all 3, you get an additional discount of $10 off. So if I were to buy all 3 to keep, it would be $151 for all 3, or you can send them back. So then this little sheet says what happens next. You can rock your stylist picks and wear for as long as you'd like, or you can purchase your faves with your monthly $21 membership credit. So that goes towards if you want to purchase anything, or you can send it back for more with a prepaid label and the reusable envelope to return the remaining set when you're ready for more. So what do you guys think? Would you try Rocksbox? Do you try something similar? I love that you can swap things out with very little commitment. That's so fun. And it sounds like you can kind of determine how often you get new stuff. So I like that there's some control for you there. Although there is a monthly membership credit, so I'm not entirely sure how often you would have to do all this to make it your credit go towards your purchase. But I think these are really on trend items. I love the bolo. I love the layered. Everything is pretty trendy. I believe they are more like a gold plated. I think I would go more for a sterling silver, but I still really like these. They seem really high quality. This isn't like a really like nasty cheap toned looking gold to me. It looks nice and durable. This doesn't feel like too fragile, like it would break. I have good trust in this necklace. I'm really enjoying it. And then the earrings are so cute. So I'm sure you would fill out your profile, and if you couldn't wear earrings or you don't like necklaces, you would not receive those items. So again, thanks so much to Rocksbox. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and trying out a new box with me. Let me know if there are any others down below that you've been curious about or would like to see a review of or have tried yourself. I'd love to chat with you guys in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. It really helps out my channel, and subscribe to my channel to join our GlamBAM fam, and hit that bell button to turn on notifications so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. That would also mean so much to me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Hope you had fun doing a little jewelry try on of our bling, and I will see you guys in the next one. 3, 2, 1, bam!